I need to replace the harp on this lamp. It's too short and it doesn't fit any of the shades I want to use. I save everything. I keep all sorts of stuff that most people would just throw out without a second thought, and I repurpose and reuse things all the time. And I also stockpile all sorts of different hardware and parts and tools and pieces of equipment that most people would never even think to have in the house. I've been highly criticized over the years for doing this, and rightfully so, because there is a valid slippery slope potential to doing that. But more often than not, I do end up going back and using this stuff, and it often comes in handy at very convenient times. This is one of those times. Over the summer, I got access to an estate that had an unbelievable selection of new old stock and vintage hardware and tools, and it was the largest selection and cleanest and most organized selection of like a personal hardware store I've ever seen. It was incredible. Now, I've been to hundreds of estate sales over the years. I have never seen anything like this. I went there a bunch of times, and the last time I was there, the owner said, you know, this is kind of like a last call. We're just going to start tossing stuff after this, so whatever you want is free. So instead of, you know, picking and choosing different things I think I'll use, I was just grabbing buckets of all sorts of stuff that I might just remotely potentially use one day. So now I need a lamp harp, and I'm thinking, do I have any lamp harps? And I remembered grabbing the bag of lamp harps. And in the moment when I was there, I says, what the heck am I ever going to do with 50 lamp harps? Well, I knew it. Someday I'm going to be trying to put a lamp shade on a lamp, and it's not going to fit, and I'm going to need a different harp. And now it's I don't know, 1 o'clock in the morning right now, and I can't go to the store to buy one. I'm not even sure if they sell lamp harps anymore. So I went around and I found the bag of lamp harps, and I can guarantee you inside this bag is probably 10 of the exact size that I need. So let's see what we got here. These should probably be in a box, not a bag. We'll transfer these into a box when we're done here. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of nice lamp harps here. Most of these are in very good condition. I need a really tall one. Something like this might be perfect. Actually might be too tall. Fortunately, I have every size down to the 1/2 inch that we might need. That one's too short. This one would fit a nice big CFL. It's a different shape. I think we're going to try this one. You know, all different styles here. This is a very, it's an older one for a different type of lamp. This one might actually be pretty much exactly what we need. It even has the 2 locking pieces on there still. So the problem here is when you put this shade on, this is the shade I want to use, it sits crooked because the harp is too short and it's hitting the back here. So if we put on a new harp that's taller, it might solve this problem. And look at that, this new harp is much cleaner than this other one too. The other one's all rusted out. But we'll keep it. I'm not going to throw it out. Might use it for something else someday. I'm not kidding. I'm absolutely not throwing out that other harp. These, the locking mechanisms here are a little bit too small. Well, that harp is just a touch too short. So let's get a little bit bigger one. And I'll see if I can find one that has a bigger locker mechanism thingies. I don't know what those are called. Here we go. This one has bigger locking mechanisms and is slightly taller. Gosh, I can't see a thing with that on. Well, I got the front one is sitting in here nicely. For some reason the back one is not. Oh, that locked in place. Alright, we'll call that good enough for now. This piece is crooked. Now it's straight. Now I can lower this back to a reasonable level where it's not going to be crooked like that, hopefully. Perfect. Now I might also put an extension there to move the bulb up a little bit higher because it's a little bit low. But I have those on hand too. Let's put these harps into a box instead. And better storage this way. Kind of clean this up as we put these in here. All different shapes in here too. It's kind of interesting ones. This one is kind of unusual too. Never know when you might need one of those. Don't know what that is, we'll keep that too. Might need it someday. Great. Indispensable to have on hand. Lamp harps by the tens.